Do you also struggle while using conditional sentences? If you do, don't worry, you are not alone. Even I had struggled a lot before I learned how to use conditional sentences. So there are 5 conditional sentences: zero, first, second, third, and mixed conditional sentences. Today I am going to describe zero, first, and second conditional sentences. And in my next video, I will share how to use third and mixed conditional sentences. So in our day-to-day life, we use these kind of sentences. For example, अगर मैं चिड़िया होती तो मैं आसमान में उड़ती. अगर मैं अमीर होती तो मैं एक गाड़ी खरीदती. अगर तुम अच्छे से पढ़ाई करते तो इस एग्जाम में पास हो जाते. But we don't struggle while using in our mother tongue because we are habitual. We get these kind of sentences from our environment. However, in English, as we don't have the environment, we struggle. But just if you learn those grammar, whichever we need to use in our speaking while conversing with people, it will be easier for you to become fluent in English. So let's begin with zero conditional sentence. In zero conditional sentence, sentence structure is if plus present simple, and we use this for general truth and guaranteed result. For example, if you heat the ice, it melts. If you heat water to 100 degrees Celsius, it boils. If I don't sleep well, I get a headache. If I am happy, I smile. अगर एक होता है तो दूसरा जरूर होगा. So this one we use as zero conditional. I think it is not difficult for you to understand and you will be able to use it easily. Now we use first conditional sentence to talk about realistic possibility. Something will happen in the future depending on the situation now. So if something happens in the present, definitely something will happen in the future. And sentence structure is if plus present simple, will or will not, and base form of the verb. For example, if I miss the verse, I will take the another one. If you don't come, we won't go. If you come, we will meet him. If you study well, you will pass the exam. If you practice English, you will become fluent. अगर तुम ये करते हो तो ये होगा. अगर मैं ये बस मिस करती हूँ, मैं नेक्स्ट वन डेफिनेटली लूँगी. सो ये डिपेंड करता है कि अभी प्रेजेंट में क्या होगा. अगर प्रेजेंट में होता है तो फ्यूचर में जरूर होगा. So this was the first conditional sentence. Now, next move to the second conditional sentence. We use second conditional sentences to talk about dreams, fantasy, and imaginary things. We imagine, but it actually can't happen in the real situation. For example, okay, first of all, I want to say the sentence structure. If plus past simple plus would and base form of the verb. For example, if I won the lottery, I would travel different countries. If I were rich, I would buy this car. If I were you, I wouldn't leave this job. If she were here, she would help us. But ये नहीं हुआ है तो नहीं हो सकता. बट हम इमेजिन करते हैं कि अगर मैं अमीर होती तो मैं गाड़ी खरीदती, अगर मैं ये करती तो ये करती, अगर मैं तुम्हारे जगह पे होती तो मैं नहीं करती. If I were you, I wouldn't do it. If I were you, I would apologize. So I think now you will be able to use these three conditional sentences easily. These are not difficult. Now what you have to do, once you learn how to use these conditional sentences, you should try to frame some sentences. Once you write some sentences in your notebook, try to use in your mind. Try to imagine the situation and then try to talk to yourself by using conditional sentences. Whenever you talk to someone, even though you learn, you may get stuck. So you slow your pace, take a pause, think and use. And whenever you watch any content, observe well how people use conditional sentences and write those sentences and try to practice. Ultimately, the thing is that unless and until you practice, unless and until you don't use while talking, it will not become easier for you. I am telling everything in my own experience. When I learned, after that, I started practicing with myself. After that as well, when I started speaking with people, I was making mistakes. However, slowly and gradually it has saved in my mind now, and I am able to use conditional sentences effortlessly. So I hope that the video was helpful for you, and if you want me to make third conditional and mixed conditional sentences, then please write in the comment below, and please try to frame sentences using zero, first and second conditional sentences. I can guarantee you, if you practice, it will be easier for you. Once you are able to use these sentences easily, you will sound fluent, natural, and you will become a confident speaker. Thank you so much for watching. If it was helpful for you, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much.